Hi everyone! If you have Chevy Silverado HD 2500 or 3500 from 2015 to 2019, this video is a full lighting upgrade. We're gonna swap halogens to LEDs, but if you just need to find out how to swap your burnt halogen to a new halogen, this video works as well. Unlike some newer trucks with built-in whole headlight assembly, in this one we can actually swap low beam and high beam. Each light upgrade will be time-stamped in the description of the video, so you can jump right to the light you want to change. So, let's do it! Alright, first thing you want to do is, of course, turn off the car. And you're gonna pop the hood. Okay, perfect. To change low beam and a high beam on the driver's side is very easy. It's basically right here. Here is your low beam right there. And the lower one is your, here, right there, is your high beam. So we're not gonna show you that. And it's a little harder on the passenger side, so that's why we're gonna show you that side. In order to remove the air filter, you will need an 8mm socket. And maybe you will need a chair as well. I personally benefit from it. It's easier this way. So first of all, we're gonna unscrew it here. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty, so we put it on left. You might want to have extension here for your socket, but I have small hands, so I don't need it. Here's the second one. All right. Another one right there. Here. And the last one is right here. All right. Make sure you put the screws in the box or somewhere where you don't lose it. I'm just gonna put them in my pocket. Next thing, you see this little tab here? You just need to put it up. You can use a flathead if it's hard to move up. In my case, I was able to do it manually with my fingers. And now you just unplug it like that. Then you will see the C-clamp here. You will need to use the 8mm here as well to open that, to make it, to lose it. All right, here you can see it's loose and you just need to pull that thing out like that. Okay, here we go. Put it aside here. And now pretty much you just need to wiggle that thing out of here. Disconnect here like that. All right, put it aside and you'll need to remove that thing from here. And now we need to remove this plastic cover here. You can use a flathead screwdriver. Oh, you can use a trim removal tool. It's all up to you. I'm actually gonna use them both. All right, get one out. And we have a second one right here. A second one. All right. And it's out. Make sure you don't lose anything. I'm gonna put them in my pocket as well. And now, here is your low beam right there. And your high beam is located down there, you see. Another cap. We're gonna twist it. It was really easy. Open it just like that. I put the glass on because halogens are hot right now. They were running for a while. It's always recommended to turn off your car and wait a little for your bulbs to cool down. Here's the bulb. There's a little pin right here. You need to press it and just like that, you disconnect it. Now you gotta take your bulb out. And this is your H11 low beam. We're gonna swap the stock halogen light with AUXITO X5 LEDs. It has gloves inside. A little nice feature. All right, look at that beauty. It has a built-in canvas, so it will not cause flickering. Specifically, Chevy's computers can be sensitive. It has built-in fan, so it will run cool unless halogens that get hot in 30 seconds. 6500 Kelvin and halogen is 3000 Kelvin. It's made from aviation aluminum, and this is made from glass and plastic. And as you can see here, it has the same plug right there. X5 series from AUXITO considered to be premium LED, so if you care about having the best vision on the road at night, this is your bulb. All right, so it's time to plug it in. Firstly, you need to plug the bulb so the LED chips are sitting like this, vertically, not like that. This will not make the beam pattern good. So you need to put it inside and and make sure the wire is looping down. So a little bit of wiggling and now it's standing. And now you want to connect this until you hear a click. Okay, it's not going anywhere. And you're gonna put the canvas in here, inside all these wires. Now let's put the dust cap back on. All right, let's check if it's working. I turn it on, it works, and there are no dash errors. And as you can see, it's super bright even in the daytime. Now the part that matters most on the low beam, the cutoff line. See that clean line across the wall? That is what keeps the light down on the road and out of the oncoming driver's eyes. It's not just more light, it's the light that lands where it should. On the road, it's a cleaner, whiter light that is closer to daylights, so you pick up the lane lines and the edges of the road sooner. Same housing, nothing thrown into oncoming traffic, just a road that you can read. Let's do the high beams. Your high beams are located right there. You need to remove this dust cap. All right, after a little bit of wiggling, you just take the dust cap. You'll see the bulb right there. Just disconnect it. You get this little pin here, you put it up. This is your old 9005 halogen. Now we're gonna work with AUXITO X5 series LEDs. This is the same 9005 socket, but look at this difference. All right, let's put it in. All right, remember that the LED chips should be standing vertically. So when you put it, the wire has to look down. And then, so let's connect it. Okay, put the canvas inside. Perfect. And don't forget to put the dust cap back on. Where this one does best is reach. On a dark road with nothing coming, the high beam throws much farther down the road, so you pick up a deer or a turn well before the old halogen would have shown it. After you upgraded your low and high beams, you're just gonna put back those screws. All right, just like that. Second one, okay. And let's put back the air filter. All right, you're just gonna put it inside like this. And now, okay, just like that. You put it back. And now, let's put all the screws back. Now let's use the socket wrench, put it righty-tighty, right? All right, after you screw it on, don't forget to plug it in here and you push this pin down. Put your seat clamp as well, like this. All right, and now I'm gonna change low beam and the high beam on the driver's side, and we're gonna move on to our backlights. All right, let's upgrade our reverse lights right here. We're gonna open the bed. Okay. All right, you will need a 13mm socket for this part. Perfect. And you will need a T15 star bit. 1 and 2. Don't lose them. And now, pretty much, you're just gonna pull it. And now you're gonna just pull the whole assembly out. Just like that. The reverse light is located right here in the middle. So you're just gonna twist it left. And here we go. Pull out your old halogen bulb. And we get upgraded with a AUXITO 40H series white light. It's the same T15 like this old halogen bulb. Look at the difference. As you can see, I put the gloves on to make sure I don't damage the LED chips. And we're just gonna slide it in. Oh, just like that. Put it back in. All right, twist it. Okay, make sure it's tight in place. And that's it. You successfully upgraded your reverse lights. Now you're gonna line up assembly with these 2 holes here. Okay, and push it. Perfect. You're gonna put back on this part. All right. All right. Now put it in reverse. The whole area behind the truck lights up so you can see what you're backing into. If you tow or park in the dark, this is the light you will be thankful for. You're gonna need T15 star bit. One. Here you may need a flat screwdriver or a pry tool to pry it off. I've already done it, so it comes off nicely like this. Here we can disconnect the whole assembly, just like that. Your cargo lights are located right here and right there. You will need to really twist it. Apply some pressure to twist it, like that. That's it first. That's one. You're gonna twist it left. All right. There you go, that's the second one. And now we're gonna upgrade with the AUXITO 40H series LED bulb. It's T15 socket. All right, so open it. You can see LED chips all around the bulb for a brighter illumination. And you can see LED chips right there as well. It will last way longer and you will not need to replace your cargo lights again. Now, very simple, just slide it in. Oops, another one. And just like that, make sure you don't touch LED chips or you can put gloves on. Now, just slide it in. Here, twist on the right. Okay, perfect. And the other one. Amazing. Since we are already here, we might as well upgrade our third brake light, which is located right here in the middle. To do so, you're just pushing it a little up and you're sliding this part out. And then, again, you need to apply some pressure to twist the light out. Here's our bulb. We're gonna upgrade the third brake light with the same light that we use for the cargo lights and for the reverse light. This one. All right, and just like previously, you slide it in. Make sure you don't touch LED chips. All right, and twist and turn. All right, slide this connector back on until you hear the click. Connect the whole thing. Perfect. And we're done with cargo and third brake lights. Let's move on to the license plate. All right, so access to your license plate light is really easy. All you need to do is just twist and turn. All right, and pull the bulb out. All right, just like that, it's out. And now we're gonna upgrade this halogen light with AUXITO 24H series white LED light. It comes in a pack like that. So let's open it. As you can see, it comes in the pack, and the reason why is that the 6-pack is designed for interior lighting and the 4-pack features built-in voltage regulation for exterior application. And this is the one we're gonna use. For this one, I'm gonna put the glove on to make sure I don't damage the LED chips. Just like that. And all you need to do is slide the LED in, put it back in its socket, twist it, and it's ready. Let's do the same on the other side. All right, and it's done. Let's turn it on. All right, and it works perfect. Sometimes it may not work, and all you need to do is just flip the bulb the other side. The LED is a clean white that matches the rest of the truck, so the back end looks finished instead of leaving one yellow spot. And that's it for today's upgrades. Every bulb today is AUXITO, and the exact sizes are in the description to the video. Run your truck through the fitment finder on auxito.com before you buy, so you can get the right parts the first time. If this helped, please leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.